Hi Grace, I've just stopped off for a 20-minute break while I'm charging my cameras, and you've sent an email in to us about your Beko KDV555AS electric oven. You're telling me on the email that the hob is not working at all on both sides. This doesn't sound like it could be a problem with a thermostat, as you were suggesting. It actually suggests to me, looking at the wiring diagram on this cooker, and I will put a link in the description on this video to a page that I will create you with not only the wiring diagram but the workshop manual as well. But looking at the wiring diagram, each side of the hob is connected to the junction box at the back of the cooker. Now that junction box has multiple wires going to it, but if you look closely at the wiring diagram, the left hand side goes to L3 and N2 on the connection block, and the right hand side goes to L2 and N1 on the connection block. You may have a burnt connection block terminal. This would cause no power to go to the actual hobs on top of the cooker. That is the only thing I can think of, or you have a broken wire possibly somewhere. But what I'm doing for you is I'm putting the whole workshop manual and the wiring diagrams for this cooker on the page, and I will put the link in the description. It not only will show you how to gain access to everything, but it will also show you the wiring configuration for the whole cooker. You were suggesting it was possibly a thermostat. Well, it can't be. Simple reason being is if you've lost power to all of them, then I think you haven't got 240 supply at the actual control knobs, and this may be a problem with the actual connection block. Anyway, I managed to get you the workshop manual, test procedures, and I've also put some additional videos on the page for you to assist you with Beko cookers. I have done 20 to 30 different videos on Beko cookers, from everything testing elements, chasing down problems, electrical faults and other bits and pieces. I hope this helps you. I am going to annoy you slightly now because I think you've got to have a quick look at this view. It is absolutely stunning. I'm just charging all the electrics on the bike at the moment because I'm about to go up a valley called the N11 in Spain, and it's absolutely stunning. But let me just show you this in the distance. Absolutely a stunning place, and I couldn't have asked for better weather while I'm here. That's the road that I'm going up, and it's an unbelievable valley with great big overhang gorges and everything else. Anyway, enough of annoying you. I hope this helps you with your problem with the cooker. As I said, the link is in the description on this page. If you do need any further help, feel free to contact us, but do remember I'm working away at the moment, so it does take me sometimes 24 to 48 hours. But as you can see, even when I stop with the bike, I'm answering all the emails for customers. Thanks very much for contacting us. Good luck with your repair.